Hello everyone, welcome to Mystic Mage Status YouTube channel, and today we're going to look at your situation for the next month, July 1 to 15. So let's go ahead and start with the, the fire sign, Aries. Okay, so Aries, what is your situation this coming July 1 to 15, 2025? Ano ang mga kaganapan sa inyong buhay this coming 20, July 1 to 15, 2025 for Aries? Okay, you have the Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and Knight of Wands. Okay, first we do have the Ten of Pentacles in upright position. So, this means that there's going to be a family reunion happening. Masaya ang pamilya, masaya ang um, mga tao sa paligid nyo, mga katrabaho nyo or friends. There's going to be parang pagtitipon na magaganap at the beginning of July. So there might be a reunion, anniversary, marriage, or you get together with your friends. And also, the second week of July, so you do have the Ace of Wands, which indicates a new opportunity. So you'll be very motivated when it comes to your work, maybe because of those person around you na very supportive with your decision, kung ano yung mga tinatakot nyo sa buhay, mga kailangan yung desisyonan financially, emotionally, or mapa-love life man yan. So you do have an abundance coming in, a financial opportunity that is coming in your way. You have this idea, you have this passion to step up your financial situation, and you are really eager to learn anything para makamit yung mga pangarap niyo sa buhay at maging success. Because right now you are happy, but there's something na parang mas gusto niyo pang ma-achieve. Right now, very satisfied kayo, but you are looking for something na, I know, hindi lang ako dito, gusto ko pang marating itong tuktok o rurok ng tagumpay sa buhay ko. Ganon. And at the end of July 15, so you do have the Knight of Wands, which indicates ambition. It's an action towards your goal. So that's what I'm talking about earlier. The Ace of Wands, you have this idea na gusto nyong marating yung rurok ng tagumpay, and you are doing it next month, and you are planning it, carefully planning it, and you are ready to rock your world, parang ganon. And you do have a quick decision making when it comes to money. You do have investments na pinag-iisipan, and those person around you are very supportive as long as hindi masyadong risky yung investment and legit. So, ganon. So, okay naman siya. And you have this passion, this energy na very fast moving when it comes to your decision making, your financial situation, or your love life. So, ganun yung nababasa ko sa inyo. Aries, ang ganda ng inyong cards this coming July 1 to 15, 2025. And I do have here the Mystic Forest Oracle cards to guide you in your daily life situation or decision making from our angel. Angel, what's your guidance for Aries this coming July 1 to 15, 2025? No pressure. Okay. So, when you want more, sabi ko na nga ba, you want more, you are satisfied, but at the same time, you know for yourself na you are meant to something bigger, something bigger, something better. So, no pressure. When you want more, don't push yourself or others to get more. So, give more of your pure, genuine self, and life will immediately and effortlessly match it. So, ang ganda ng basa sa inyo, Aries, from July 1 to 15, 2025. And this is just a reminder that there's no pressure. Huwag ka masyadong magmadali. As isipin mo palagi yung mga bagay na uh, pagdidesisyonan mo this coming July. I know you have this bigger ideas coming in your way na you want something bigger for yourself and you know you can achieve that. So the universe is telling you that don't push yourself. So you just have to give more of your pure, genuine self and life will immediately, effortlessly match it. Kung para sa inyo talaga yun. Kaya I'm so happy for you, Aries. Congratulations again. Sana matupad ito at makamit nyo ang mga pangarap nyo sa buhay. That's all for today's video. Thanks and bye-bye.